So where does this leave us? Let's summarise a little bit where we got to. So what have we done in this session? Well, we've understood about what the stretch shortening cycle is, and we've done that in understanding both muscle mechanics, but fundamentally understanding it represents the process of moving from an eccentric to a concentric phase. And it represents fundamentally how quickly we can do that, but also how much force we can produce in that process. We've then evaluated the tools that are at our disposal: drop jumps, reactive strength index, and isoinertial tests. And we've looked at those, both particularly the drop jumps, in context of validity and reliability. There is very little data on validity and reliability in the isoinertial tests. And we've seen actually, particularly the drop jumps, and therefore the RSI, which is just simply a function of that data collected, are both valid, that's reflected in the EMG data, and reliable, which is reflected in the repeatability that we saw in the data. However, they become less reliable if we don't control for arm swing and if we don't have sufficient time between each subsequent jump. And then we've reflected on these in terms of being an actual assessment of neuromuscular power. And we've reflected on kind of the relevancy in terms of sport and also the relevancy perhaps in more clinically orientated population groups.